Kia ora, I'm David Hargreaves and this is 90 at 9 brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds with news that inflation is here. How long for is the question. US consumer prices rose by the most in more than 8.5 years in March, with both the headline and core inflation measures coming in higher than forecast. The annual figure came in at 2.6%, which was ahead of the forecast of 2.5% and up from just 1.7% in February. Higher petrol prices contributed largely to the increase. But it's significant to note that the core inflation measure, excluding food and energy costs, came in at 1.6%. That was also higher than the market forecast of 1.5%. In China, their imports surged to their highest in 4 years last month, at just over $227 billion US. However, while the imports were much higher than expected, exports were below expectations. China's trade surplus shrank to $13.8 billion US in March, while forecasts had been for a $52.05 billion figure. In Australia, the March NAB Business Survey showed business conditions rose to a record high in March, driven by strong increases in all subcomponents, which are now also at record highs. NAB said the strength in conditions is evident across all states and industries. To the markets, the US Treasury 10-year yield is down 4 basis points at 1.63%. The price of gold starts today at $1,747 an ounce, which is up $14 in a day. Oil prices are marginally firmer at just over $60 a barrel, while the international price is now just over $63.50. The Kiwi dollar is a little firmer at 70.5 US cents. We are slightly firmer also against the Australian dollar at 92.3 cents. Against the euro, we are unchanged at 59 euro cents. Our TWI5 is just above 72.7. Remember that the Reserve Bank will be having its latest monetary policy review at 2 p.m. today. Catch all the news of that here. Kia ora, I'm David Hargreaves, and that was 90 at 9 brought to you by interest.co.nz.